The officers reached the car, but they did not know, what happens next?
Hey, you guys want to come back here? We'll call them out. Driver! Step out of the vehicle with your hands up! Driver! Open the door! Step out of the vehicle! Face away from me! Stop! Grab the collar of your shirt! Pull up! All the way up! Hold the shirt up! Turn towards me! Turn away from me! Walk back to the sound of my voice! Keep coming! Keep coming! Keep coming! Stop! Sidestep to your right! Keep going! Keep going! Keep going! Stop! You got him? Elmers, how many more in the car? 4 more? All right, once we get him taken care of, we'll pull out the next. Right front passenger! Open the door from the outside! Step out of the vehicle, face away from me! Face away! Turn around! Put your hands up and walk back! Keep coming! Keep coming! Keep coming! Stop! Right rear passenger! Open the door from the outside! Step out of the vehicle, face away from me! Grab the collar of your shirt! The collar! The collar of your shirt! Turn towards me! Hands up! Keep coming! Keep coming! Keep coming back! Stop!
Around to them so they can start.
Somebody in your car? Driver's in your car?
Yeah.
All right.
Is there any way to
No, don't ask me any questions right now. All right. You are not in any position to ask for any favors. What is your last name?
Tlanda, T-L-A-N-D-A.
First name?
Matthew.
Spell it.
M-A-T-T-H-E-W.
Middle name? Birthday? What's your address? So what? You Romeo?
Yeah.
What's your phone number? What is your question?
I can put my hands because it hurts really bad.
Your hands where? In front of you?
No, just make it so it doesn't hurt as bad. Like,
Turn around and face away from me. I think it goes without saying right now you are under arrest.
Yeah.
But I'm going to verbalize that to you. So there's not any question about it. Alright, the other one's on fine. I'll be back to talk with you in a little bit.
Sit down. You want to stay with her or you want me to stay with her?
It's up to you.
I'll go back up to her house.
You need a key for that car? Here, I got you. Somebody there? Nobody? Cool. Hi.
Victor 1, copy of man.
Can you, hang on. I'm going to double lock your cuffs so that they don't tighten up on you, okay?
Go ahead. 2.
I'm here to do that. Stepping out towards me. Do you have anything on you or in you that you shouldn't have? Alright, basic bar. When I pat you down, is anything gonna poke me, stick me, hurt me? Alright, spread your feet.
What's up, dude?
Ricky, you can open it up.
Ocean 2, a citizen assist.
Face me.
141 South Spring Road, Unit 201. 141 South Spring Road, Unit 201.
Do me a favor, step out of
Meeting
your
with
shoes.
an Uber Eats driver out front in a silver Nissan
Just for a
Maxima.
minute.
Said he was doing a delivery. and it had alcohol, which he wasn't aware of until after it was delivered, and he did not check the ID.
Thank you.
Just need a 1-day job for a 70-year-old female with breathing with an abnormal heart rate.
All right. What's up, guys?
Hey.
How you guys doing?
Good.
Good. What's going on?
Nothing. We're about to leave.
You're about to leave?
Yeah.
Okay. Why are you guys driving on Lakeshore with no lights on? Why are you guys driving on Lakeshore with
my
no
bad.
lights on?
That was my fault. Sorry.
Why are you driving pretty quick on Lakeshore with no lights on?
I wasn't me.
After there's a pursuit. That wasn't you?
Huh?
That wasn't you?
I did. I know I hadn't. I didn't have my lights on, but I wasn't.
That was
thinking-
you.
I didn't think I was driving that.
You didn't see me, but I saw you.
No, you were the one with the road stripes.
Yeah, I saw you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you saw me too.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Good.
Good. You guys know these people?
No. No, we don't.
No?
We just saw pursuing.
Okay.
Never experienced it.
Okay. So you don't know these people?
No.
All right.
No, sir.
Okay. Well, we'll figure that out. See if that's true.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll go from there.
All right.
See you guys.
See ya.
Go take a look right now. Hang on. I'm gonna call Angel.
The black 620 Dodge sedan of your town.
I'm gonna call Echo 19.
Do you know who put it in?
I'll check.
Hello, sir.
Hey, what's up, Angel? All right. So give me the skinny on this. Where is this car fled from? Where is it suspected to be involved in?
So it fled from Lyle a couple nights ago.
Okay.
It fled from Hoffman a couple nights ago with the E. Edward S. Sam plate.
Okay.
Last night, it scanned on the same camera with a white Lexus that's involved in vape shop burglaries.
Okay. And they hit Naperville, the white Lexus, right?
The white Lexus hit Naperville, yes.
Okay. So in tandem. What town do you know hot listed this car in the LPR?
I don't know
If any.
if any hot listed it in their LPRs at all.
Okay.
But I know, like, Carol from Lyle took off from him.
Okay. Okay.
So, and then Capochi, it took off from Capochi at Hoffman Estates.
Hoffman Estates. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
We don't know who put it in though?
Who was the driver? Who'd you get as a driver?
Who's our driver?
I don't know.
Unknown at this time. We got 5 people in custody.
Okay. They're all juveniles?
No. Couple adults, couple juveniles.
Okay.
It's a mess.
I recognize the name Austin, the one kid.
Okay. From where?
He does the underage parties and stuff like that.
Oh, he does? Okay.
All
Alright. Well, I don't know who the driver is, so I can ask Nick.
All right.
Did you guys get anything in the car?
No, masks.
Masks. There's masks in the car.
Mask, but no vape product or anything like that. Yeah.
Any plates on there?
No, just the car the plate belongs to.
The car is clear too?
Yeah.
Why is he trying to whistle?
Did that come
Says
through?
extra 50 miles, Indiana only.
Yeah.
only, oh, okay.
Yeah, then that's no need to. All right. Yeah, can you secure it in that? You got keys for this?
You're 3 and Bacon Rowell.
Sounds far.
Ah, I do have key.
Okay.
Are there any hold numbers?
Yes.
From, as soon as you find what you need? Or
Yeah,
you
there's a
stop
hold.
by when I'm done here?
Flat out hold.
Okay.
Seizure hold.
Okay.
Not the other.
Okay, so yeah, secure it in that building, and then our detectives will be in contact with you guys in the morning.
Let me know. Can I go in there, Grandma?
Yep. Yep.
That's where he was going. Okay. All right, man. Just give me a few minutes. I'm sorry. I didn't really pay attention when you. Thank you. Alright, slide out and face away from me.
Away?
Away from me, yes.
Going to the
Hopefully soon.
Alright.
Well, I appreciate you not pissing in my car.
Oh, well, no, I won't do that.
Sorry, it was quick.
Purchase my damn inside.
Have a seat.
Inside?
Yeah. Here's Julie. Victor 1. I'll be north to Lombard PD with one male juvenile in custody. 24062 on the mileage, 24062.